Thinking of buying a home battery but confused about the cost? Stay right here because in the next 2 minutes, you'll know exactly what you're paying for and what you're not. The biggest cost is the battery unit. Most home batteries today cost $6,000 to $12,000, depending on size. Larger batteries with more kilowatt hours simply cost more. Think of it like buying a bigger fuel tank. And speaking of tanks, let's move to the next hidden cost. Installation usually adds $1,000 to $3,000. This covers wiring, safety checks, and setting up the inverter if needed. Not exciting, but it's what makes the system actually work. But wait, there's a small twist many people forget. Some batteries come with a built-in inverter, like the Tesla Powerwall. Others need a separate unit, which can cost $1,000 to $2,500. No inverter means no usable power. So this part matters. Let's slide into the next piece that surprises beginners. If you want backup power during blackouts, extra hardware may cost another $500 to $2,000. This allows the battery to disconnect from the grid safely. And before we wrap up, here's the part everyone loves. In the US, the federal 30% tax credit can reduce the cost dramatically. Some states add rebates too, cutting thousands off the bill. So your total system cost usually ends up between $10,000 to $20,000, but incentives can bring it much lower. Now you know exactly where every dollar goes: battery, installation, inverter, backup gear, and tax savings.